hair, you point it out. You point it out depending on how long. You draw it downwards. Okay, so join it from the down, join it up. So this is what you get, like a V. So from this up one, you bring it down. Bring it down. Voila. So this is what you get. Okay. So this is what you get by that simple technique. You repeat the same thing.
Blending time, take up your flat brush, then you blend to remove any harsh lines. You see me blending it carefully. Yes, you blend your eyeliner. It's optional though, I always do it to blend in all those parts that I couldn't get, but I'm still seeing normal skin on. I blend them. So far, if you're enjoying this video, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel. If you've learned one or two techniques, hacks from this video, please give me a thumbs up. Tell me which of the techniques, which of the steps you love, and you rate me. So we are done. Then you can take as much as you want, as much as pictures you want. This is me doing my mascara. Carefully to avoid stains on your makeup. Okay. Thank you for your love, your support. Please subscribe to this channel. I love you. See you on my next one. Bye.